Hello class, welcome back. So you all have understood the concept of right, left and middle. You have completed the work. Few of you have shared it immediately. So I really appreciate that some of you have understood it and have completed the work and shared also. So please try to complete the work in time and share it with me. Clear? In case again I am saying, if you have any doubt related to any subject in my videos, kindly call me and ask me to clear up those doubts. Clear? So now moving to our environment studies class. So what we were doing in our EVS periods? So till now what we were studying about? We were learning about different fruits and vegetables. So we have completed our fruits. So we have learned about the fruits with one seed, many seed, then the same color fruits, then how the fruits are different in taste, what are the different colors we have in fruits, their taste we have discussed. So a lot of things we have discussed about. Now it's time for vegetables. So in vegetables we have learnt about their color, we have learnt about leafy vegetables as well as the vegetables we found in the root portions. जो हमें मड के नीचे मिलती है, that means roots we eat and leaves we eat. You remember the previous concept which we have done? We have done that, so you remember it? Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the topic we eat them raw. मतलब उन vegetables के बारे में जानेंगे जिनको हम raw खा सकते हैं. So first tell me, what is the meaning of raw? Raw means कच्चा. अब जब मम्मा खाना बनाती हैं, she always wash, cut and cook the vegetable. मम्मा खाना जब बनाती है तो वो सब्जी को पकाती है ना, ऐसे ही तो नहीं खाते. बट हमारे जो वेजिटेबल्स हैं, जो इतनी वैरायटी ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स हैं, इन दैट वैरायटी देयर आर फ्यू वेजिटेबल्स वी ईट रॉ, जिनको हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं, जिनको हम बिना कुक किए भी खा सकते हैं. बट नॉट ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स. आई एम सेइंग अबाउट फ्यू. कुछ वेजिटेबल्स ऐसी हैं. सो लेट्स सी अबाउट देम, लेट्स लर्न अबाउट देम. Okay, so today we are going to learn about or see about those vegetables which we can eat raw, जिनको हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. So the first thing I want to ask, कच्ची vegetable हम किस तरह खाते हैं? बताइए. मुंह से तो हम सब कुछ खाते हैं, isn't it? Okay, let me tell you. So whenever mama is serving lunch or dinner to us, don't you think mama always, have you ever seen that mama is serving us some salad, green salad we call that, जिसमें tomato होता है, cucumber होता है, then we have radish, then we have carrots, then we have chilies. Some of us जो elders होते हैं, they love eating chilies also with their lunch and dinner, isn't it? तो हम उन्हें हर बार cook नहीं करते, we just cut them, we plate them up and we eat them with pepper, salt and lemon on it. हम उसको pepper, salt और lemon से dress करते हैं. Dress मतलब उसके ऊपर sprinkle करते हैं and then we eat that. So today we are going to learn about such vegetables. Clear? So first is tomato. Tomato. So we all love eating tomatoes, isn't it? Tomato की ketchup बनती है. I have been telling you many times. Then we have as I told you, ketchup is there. Then tomato is used in all the vegetables to make curries. जब मम्मा खाना बनाती है तो करी जो बनाते हैं उसकी curries में mama is always using tomatoes. She also use onion, garlic, isn't it? But these tomatoes can be eaten raw. Sometimes what we do is we just cut them in small pieces and we use them as garnishing in sprouts. जब हम स्प्राउट्स बनाते हैं, स्प्राउट्स किसको कहते हैं? जो हमारी दाल होती है, समटाइम्स दाल और ब्लैक चनास, उनको हम रात को वाटर में सोक करते हैं एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग हम उनको वाटर में से रिमूव करके भी कीप देम असाइड. तो उसमें क्या होता है, छोटे छोटे से ना बेबी प्लांट्स आते हैं, वाइट कलर के थ्रेड्स आते हैं, दोज आर कॉल्ड स्प्राउट्स. जब हम वो स्प्राउट सैलेड बनाते हैं, व्हाइल मेकिंग दैट स्प्राउट सैलेड वी पुट ऑल दीज रॉ वेजिटेबल्स इन इट. Tomato, cucumber, onion, then you can also add in some carrots, radish in that and to make a yummy sprout salad. क्लियर? सो बेसिकली सैलेड होती है जो हम रॉ वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं, वो किस फॉर्म में खाते हैं? सैलेड्स की तरह खाते हैं। क्लियर? नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट इज दिस, कैन यू टेल मी? इट्स अ लेडी फिंगर। लेडी फिंगर है। अब मैम ने आपको लेडी फिंगर चॉप कर दी एंड आई गेव यू एंड आस्क्ड यू टू ईट इट, विल यू बी एबल टू ईट इट? आपको कभी मम्मा ने लेडी फिंगर चॉप करके दिया और बोला खा लो, अब खा पाओगे उसको? नो, बिकॉज इट इज अ वेजिटेबल, वी हैव टू कुक। इसको हम रॉ नहीं खा सकते। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू सर्कल द वेजिटेबल। इसको फाइन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू पुट अ टिक मार्क ऑन दोज वेजिटेबल्स जिनको हम रॉ खा सकते हैं। ठीक है? सो आई हैव टिक द टमेटो, क्योंकि हम टमाटो को रॉ खा सकते हैं। टमाटोज आर ऑल्सो ईटन रॉ इन सैंडविचेस। सैंडविचेस में हम उसकी स्लाइस लगाते हैं। देन वी हैव बर्गर्स। Whenever you go and purchase a burger or sometimes mama को makes a burger at home, so she puts a slice of tomato in it. वो रॉ टमाटो होता है, मम्मा ने उसकी वेजिटेबल तो नहीं बनाई होती ना। So tomato is one vegetable that can be eaten raw. But if I ask you to eat this lady finger, I'll just chop it and I give you to eat it. Will you be able to eat? आप उसे खा पाओगे? सिर्फ लेडी फिंगर को बिना कुक करे चॉप करके दे दूंगी तो नहीं ना। So that means we cannot eat this vegetable raw. Clear? Then we have carrot, गाजर. So can you eat these carrots raw? Winters में देखा है आपने? When mama is cutting the salads, she always serves carrot and says कि it's good for us. We should eat raw carrots. Carrot की vegetable भी बनती है, but carrot is that we can eat it raw also. Clear? So again I'm going to put a tick here. Now moving to the next vegetable, it's a potato. A raw potato. I'm not talking about boiled potato. Yes, boiled potatoes are used in sandwiches, pizzas, burgers, everywhere. Not in pizza, sorry. In sandwiches or burgers, we put a slice of boiled potato. But I'm talking about raw. जो मार्केट से मम्मा कच्चे वाला रॉ पोटैटो लाती हैं, क्या आप उसको कट करके खा सकते हो? Can you eat it in that form, in the raw form? No, we cannot. Either we have to boil it, या तो हम उसे boil करेंगे and after that we will use it, or we are going to make vegetable of it. Clear? So we are not going to take this vegetable because we cannot eat a potato in raw form. Then next we have is a cucumber. Cucumber मतलब खीरा. आप खीरा खाते हैं? Summers में खीरे आते हैं ना मार्केट में. So what mama does? Mama makes salads of it. Salads बनाते हैं हम इसका. So cucumber is a vegetable we eat raw. Again I am going to put a tick here. Then we have onions. Yes, we eat onions in vegetables. We cook onions when we are cooking vegetables, but onion can be eaten raw also in the form of salad, in the form of sprout salad में भी हम इसको use करते हैं. We use the slices of onions in sandwiches, then burgers again. So onion is also a vegetable that we eat raw. Now next we have is a brinjal. So have you ever seen anyone eating a raw brinjal? कच्चा brinjal कभी देखा है आपने? मम्मा को सैलेड में सर्व करते हुए या किसी सैंडविच में या बर्गर में उसको खाते हुए देखा है किसी को आपने? No, we cannot. We have to cook it. ब्रिंजल को हम बिना कुक किए नहीं खा सकते. We cannot eat it as a raw vegetable. So it is not a one to be corrected. Clear? हम इसको टिक नहीं करेंगे. Now next is we have capsicum. So can we eat capsicum as raw vegetable? Yes, it can be eaten in the form if we are using it in any burger or we are using it in sandwiches, but generally we make vegetables of it. Clear? So this is a vegetable which can be eaten raw, which cannot be eaten raw, but I will say that we cannot eat raw because it is never used as a part of salad. हम इसको सैलेड में नहीं यूज करते. So the vegetables which we use or eat in the form of salad are counted as the vegetables we eat raw. मतलब जिन वेजिटेबल्स को कट करके हम ग्रीन सैलेड बनाते हैं उन वेजिटेबल्स को तो हम रॉ खा सकते हैं. देन लाइक दैट वी हैव रेडिश, मूली, वी हैव कैरेट, गाजर, tomatoes, then we have onions, we have cucumber, clear, chili, green chilies are also eaten raw. So these are few vegetables we eat raw, but simultaneously there are some vegetables जिनको हम बिना कुक करे नहीं खा सकते. Is that clear to all of you? So let us see. Today you are going to do your lunch after the class. So just eat one raw vegetable. How? In the form of salad. Clear? So ask mama to serve you 2 slices of salad today with lunch. Clear? So now moving to the book work. So you have to open page number 78 in your book. So book page number 78. So open this page and I'll tell you how you are going to do your today's work. Okay? So class, now please open your EVS book 2, that is Environmental Studies, and in this book you are going to open on page number 78. So today I have told you about the vegetables that we eat raw. Raw means जिनको हम बिना कुक किए खा सकते हैं, है ना. अभी मैम ने आपको यही समझाया. And we eat them raw in the form of salads, isn't it? So what we are going to do today, first we are going to write today's date, 18th August 2020, and this is your class. Clear? So mark a tick for the vegetables that can be eaten raw. अब हमें क्या करना है? We are going to put a tick mark. ये सर्कल दे रखे हैं ना हमें सब में. So we are going to put a tick mark to those vegetables we eat raw, we can eat raw, जिनको हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. So first picture given is tomato. Can we eat tomato in the raw form? बिना कुक किए खा सकते हैं? Yes, we can. So I'll put a tick mark like this. Clear? Then we have cucumber. So can you eat a cucumber without cooking it? Yes, हम उसको सैलड में खाते हैं. So a tick mark here. Next we have is a cauliflower. गोभी का फूल देखा है, cauliflower. So can you eat that cauliflower in the raw form without cooking it? No. So we are going to leave it blank. Next we have is chili. So chili can be eaten raw? Yes, they can be. Okay, then we are going to put a tick here. Then we have onion. So we make salads, when we are making green salads, we take onion. Yes, so a tick mark here. Now we have a capsicum. Capsicum can only be eaten in the form of when they are used in sandwiches, but not in a regular course. So we are not going to tick it here. We have ginger. So can you eat this ginger raw? No, we cannot. We use them in tea or in vegetables. Next is ladyfinger or okra. So can we eat them in the raw form? No, we cannot. So again I'm going to leave these blank. So we have 4 vegetables here which can be eaten raw, and the other 4 we cannot eat them raw. Done. Now moving towards today's homework. So turn a page back, and on page number 77, can you see this? You will find more vegetables. So it's just a coloring work you have to do. So this is your today's homework, 18th August 2020, and this is your today's homework. Is that clear, class? So what you have to do here, see the color key and color the vegetables. So the key is given to you, you have to see them, you have to see which vegetable is of which color and color all these vegetables as your today's homework. So class, you have understood your today's homework and classwork both. So I'll tell you your homework on board also. So page number 78 is your classwork and page number 77 is your today's homework. Clear? So I have told you how you are going to complete your today's work, finish your work and share your work picture with me. Clear? After that, get ready for the next class.